Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Far Away. We're gonna get started with this candy paint job. So this is the Avenger. This is the car that's gonna get that candy paint job. Like I showed you before, it's gonna be a candy apple red. The top of the car is gonna be black, just the top itself. Everything else is gonna be red. All right. It does have some minor damage that needs to get fixed first of all. So I'm gonna start with that. Other than that, the car's pretty good. The bumper cover, the front bumper cover, is gonna get replaced. The reason being is that I want to add some fog lights to this car. This is my daughter's car, so I'm gonna add some fog lights to it, and I need to replace the bumper cover. I already got the new one, so I'm gonna be taking this one off. I'm gonna be taking all the headlights and everything. So I'm gonna show you what you need to do in order to get started. And let's go. Alright guys, like in every project that I do, I first look down the side and start marking all the dents. That's the first thing you need to do. Start marking them so you don't lose them once you start sanding. All right, so let me do that. Let me start marking them, and I'll come back as soon as I'm gonna start removing the front bumper. All right, I found all the dents. Like I said, it doesn't have a lot of dents. The thing is that it has a lot of little door dings. Well, not a lot of them, but it has a couple of door dings. Right now I'm starting to take off all the front bumper cover. I had to take off the grill. So I'm going to start removing the bumper cover, but let me show you all the little door dings that it has. And that's it. That's all you need to do at first. Start looking for all the little dents. I already circled everything, so I'm good to go. Like I said, I'm going to start removing that bumper cover. All right, let me do that and I'll bring you back. There we go. Bumper cover is off. Headlights are off. The tail lights are off. So this car is gonna be painted black. All the inside, the door jambs and the doors and all that from the inside, it's gonna be painted black. The top's gonna be painted black. The entire car is gonna be painted the candy apple red. So I'm gonna have to take off the doors so that I can start preparing the inside of the door jambs to paint them black. All right, so let me show you right here. Everything's been taken off. So it's getting there. It's getting there. So let me start taking off the doors. I'm not gonna start fixing the dents yet. I'm gonna take off the doors. I'm gonna try to prepare the inside and the top for the black paint. And there it is, guys. Doors have been taken off. All the seals have been taken off. Everything that's rubber was taken off. So I'm gonna start preparing it. I'm gonna start sanding it. I'm gonna do as much as possible with a DA. After that, I'm gonna get myself that red Scotch-Brite and start sanding the rest. Okay, so let me get started. All right, guys, I'm gonna start sanding the entire top with 220 grit sandpaper. Then I'm gonna progress to 320, 400, and 600. So I'm gonna do it with the DA. It's a lot quicker. So let me start doing it. All right, guys. I'm halfway done on the roof. Like I said, this is gonna be going black. The reason I'm taking off the majority of the paint, I don't know if you can see. It has a lot of pitting on the clear, and whenever I started sanding the clear, in order to get these pittings out, I needed to go to the sealer of the vehicle. So I just decided, you know what, I'll just start removing everything. It'll give me a better foundation, and also this is going to be going black. I don't want any imperfections for the black base because it'll show. So this was my best option. All right, let me show you one thing that happened that I wasn't expecting. Alright guys, this is what I was going to show you. There's a big hole which there was a bunch of rust. What I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be coating it with the KBS coating. I'm going to clean it up, protect it, and then start welding my new piece to add here, because I wasn't expecting this, but I'm not going to leave it like this. So I'm going to clean it up, put that KBS coating in there, and cut it up and weld another piece of metal there. All right, let me show you the other side. The other side's almost the same, so let me show it to you. All right guys, this is the other side. It's not as bad, but it's still in there, and that's the reason I removed the fender from the other side. I'm gonna have to do the same thing to this side. That's how it goes. That's what you need to do. So let me patch up the other side. I'll come to this side, patch this one up, and continue on the roof. Like I said, I'm not gonna leave it like this, so let me get to it. Alright guys, the entire top is done already. What I'm gonna do now, I already patched up the hole that was there, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start adding some body filler on that, and I'm gonna gut everything out. I'm gonna gut everything out, guys. I'm gonna take out the seats, I'm gonna take out the carpet, wash everything, leave the car brand new. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna start on the other side. But this will be it for this video, guys. I know it's a little short video, but I didn't want to leave you without a video this weekend. So this is it. Like I said, this is the beginning of the candy paint job. So this is a preparation, and it's a lot of work, but it has to be done. And that'll be it, guys. All right, guys. Thank you. Like the video, share the video, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Hit the little bell icon so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. Also guys, hit the link below. Help me out if you can. If you do, like I mentioned before, I'll add your name on the next video. And guys, have a great week. God bless. And thank you very much for watching.